Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cassava leaf stew with beef and vegetable oil that you can serve with rice or anything you like. I know I used a lot of oil in this recipe, but you can reduce the oil to your own taste. For the ingredient list and exact measurement, please check the description box below. And also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for this video before you start. So I started with boiling one fresh fish. You can use any type of fish you like mackerel, red snapper, tilapia, any type of fish. And once the fish is ready, remove and set aside. Then heat the pot and add 150 ml of oil. Now add few slices of onions to give a nice aroma to the oil. Then around 300 grams of beef and saute until brown. Add some salt and cook. Now pour the liquid you used to cook the fish on the meat and cover and let this cook. In a mixer, add some green onions, 1 onion, and 2 hot peppers, or you can add more if you like. Then mix everything together and set aside. In your pot, add 2 full tablespoons of peanut butter, add 300 grams of cassava leaf and cover with water. You really need to use a lot of water for this recipe to allow the meat to cook and the peanut butter and cassava. Put the lid on but not completely. Now remove the bones from the fish and cut into small pieces. And if you love my recipes and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. You will need to check on your stew occasionally to prevent it from splitting. Then add in the onion mixture. And this is some dried fish powder. We call this bonga in Guinea. It's some herring fish. And if you have it, add 2 full tablespoons. I will also add some dried crayfish powder. Now add some salt. Also, if you love bouillon cube, you can add some, but I will just add some salt for me. Reduce the heat and let it cook slowly. Meanwhile, grate 2 to 3 okras and kept aside. Now add the cooked fish. And some hot peppers if you like. And let this cook slowly. Once you start to see some oil on the top of your sauce, add the okras in the middle of the sauce and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Then mix the okras with everything together. Reduce the heat on very low and let it cook until you see all the oil on top of the sauce. You will need to mix occasionally to prevent it from burning. When it's ready, serve with rice and enjoy. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.